This is the most moist, bakery-style banana bread you'll ever make at home. And the secret is in a fancy mixer. It's the pot. Let me show you. Here's the plan. A soft banana pack loaf with a golden caramelized crust. Bake entirely in this Overmont cast iron bread oven. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get that crackly top and tender crumb every single time. It's a 6-quart enameled cast iron made specifically for baking bread. See that shallow bottom? It makes dropping your dough or batter in super easy. And that high dome lid gives everything room to rise. If your banana bread always comes out dry, stick around. This fixes it. First, let's mix. Mash 4 ripe bananas, the spottier the better. Whisk in melted butter and brown sugar. Then your eggs, vanilla, and half milk until it's smooth and glossy. In a second bowl, whisk the flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Now fold the dry into the wet, gently. Stop the second the flour disappears. Overmixing is what makes banana bread tough. Lumpy bananas? Leave a few. Those are little pockets of flavor. Now for the star of the show. Pop the empty Overmont pot into a cold oven and heat it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The cast iron warms gradually so it protects the enamel and gives you that beautiful, even heat all the way through. Look at these handles. Wide, tilted up, and easy to grab. The heat-resistant pot holders come right in the box, so you've got a secure grip every time. Line it with parchment, pour your batter in, and sprinkle a course of sugar on top for that crackly finish. Lid on. Here's where the magic happens. That tight-fitting dome lid traps steam around the loaf, and that's a trick to a soft, airy inside. Bake it covered for 35 minutes. Notice the step knob? It sits up and away from the steam, so there's more distance from the heat when you lift it. Now bake uncovered for another 18 to 22 minutes to deepen that golden caramelized crust. This is the moment that takes it from homemade to bakery counter. How do you know it's done? Slide in a toothpick. You want a few moist crumbs, not wet batter. Let it rest in the pot 15 minutes. Then lift it out and cool on a rack for another half hour. I know it's hard to wait, but this is what keeps your slices clean and tender. And look at that crumb. Moist, soft, packed with banana. One more thing you love about this pot. Cleanup is just a soft sponge over that smooth enamel surface. No scrubbing. It works on gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops. If this made you hungry, get the Overmont bread oven now. Thanks for watching. Bye.